Assalamu alaikum students. Good morning everyone. I hope you all are fine and ready to learn something new today. Welcome to today's computer class. Please sit properly, keep your notebook and pencil ready and listen carefully. Today we are going to learn about a very interesting topic, that is artificial intelligence and how it helps us in healthcare and education. Okay, so we are going to learn about these two questions for today's lesson. Okay, so let's start with a quick recap of our previous lesson. So the recap questions are: what is AI? Okay, we learn about what is AI in the physical lesson. So the AI is the full form of AI is artificial intelligence. Okay, so that is you that allow the computer, robots and the software to think just like human. Okay, ये आपको अलाउ करता है कि आपके कंप्यूटर को, आपके सॉफ्टवेयर को अलाउ करता है कि वो ह्यूमंस की तरह थिंकिंग कर सके. Okay, so again I am repeating, artificial intelligence or AI helps computer, robots or software to think in a smart way just like a human, and it use different technologies to do these tasks. Okay, so how it will, if you send something to the chat gpt, it will see your statement, and after that it will understand your statement, and after understanding it will convert the statement into machine language. वो machine language में उसमें को convert करेगा and then analyze the data, और उसके बाद उस data को analyze करेगा and make the decision and show the result on the screen. Is it clear to everyone how the AI work? And the second one we learned in the previous lesson is what is AI application. So an AI application is a computer program that use artificial intelligence to help people to do the task easily. ये वो application है जो लोगों को आसानी देती है कि वो अपना काम कर सकें कहाँ पर, on computer. ठीक है, it is for human ease, हमारी आसानी के लिए है. And after that, for example, अगर हम देखें व्हाट आर द एग्जांपल ऑफ एआई एप्लीकेशंस, सो गूगल असिस्टेंट, चैटबॉट्स, फेस रिकॉग्नाइजेशन और वॉइस असिस्टेंट्स आर द artificial intelligence applications. Okay, and after that we learn about what is machine learning. So first we discuss about the full form of ml, that is the full form of ml is machine learning. And after that we learn what is machine learning. So basically machine learning is a type of AI that allow computer to learn from data and improve automatically. Okay, it is a machine language. And after that we learn about two different type of machine language. How many type the machine learning have? The machine learning have two type. The first one is supervised learning, and the second one is supervised learning. These two types are mentioned in your notebook, books. Okay, so there are two types that are in your books. The first one is supervised learning and the second one is unsupervised learning. So the difference between the supervised and unsupervised machine learning, ml is machine learning is, we in the supervised machine learning computer need guidance. Okay, आप अगर कंप्यूटर को गाइडेंस प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं, then it is a supervised ML machine learning. So for example, imagine teaching a robot to sort shapes. अगर आप robots को shapes के बारे में सिखा रहे हैं, then you show the robot a circle. First आप circle उसको show करवाएंगे and then say this is a circle. Then you show it a square and say this is a square. By repeating this process with many shapes, the robot learn from your instruction. We are giving instruction to the computer or a robot, and after that the computer or a robot give us the suggestions, the decision. ठीक है, वो judgment आपकी guidance के बाद कर रहा है. So that's why the supervised learning is when the computer learn with the guidance from a teacher or supervisor. Then it is known as supervised machine learning. Is it clear to everyone? And after that the second type, that is unsupervised machine learning. So basically it is opposite to the supervised machine learning. In the supervised machine learning, computer robot need the guidance, but in unsupervised machine learning it doesn't need any type of guidance from the supervisor or a teacher, because it make the decision by its own. वो खुद से decision making करता है किसमें, unsupervised machine learning में. Is it clear to everyone what is the difference between supervised and unsupervised machine learning? Okay, so the last topic that we learned in the previous lesson is what is the difference between ML and HL. So first we have to understand what is the full form of ML, that is machine learning, and what the full form of HL is human learning. Okay, so the difference between the human learning and the machine learning is in the machine learning computer learns from data. Computer किससे सीखता है? Data से. But human learn from teacher and their past experience. Human अपने teacher से या फिर अपने parents से या अपने past experience से सीखते हैं. Okay, in machine learning they make decision डिसीजन ऑटोमेटिकली। मशीन लर्निंग में अगर उन्होंने जो चीज़ सीख ली है वो ऑटोमेटिकली डिसीजन मेकिंग करेंगे, बट ह्यूमन थिंक एंड अंडरस्टैंड द फीलिंग्स, ठीक है। ह्यूमन थिंकिंग करते हैं बिफोर एनी टाइप ऑफ डिसीजन मेकिंग। किसी डिसीजन मेकिंग से पहले ह्यूमन क्या कर रहे हैं, थिंकिंग कर रहे हैं, एंड आफ्टर दैट they are making the decision because they have feelings and the machine doesn't have any type of feeling. Okay, so this is the main difference between the machine learning and human learning. Okay, so after that we learn that machine learning, in machine learning computer learn from the data, they work automatically, they work very fast. If we compare it with humans, then machine work very quickly. Okay, and then machine doesn't have any type of emotions and feelings. But on the other hand, human learning, in human learning, human learns from teacher and experience, from their past experience, from their teacher, from their parents, from their friends too. Okay, human can think and understand because they have feelings, they have emotions, and human make decision using feelings. So these are the difference between the machine learning and the human learning. Okay, so there is one question, who learns in school? आप लोग मुझे बताएं स्कूल में कौन सीखता है, कंप्यूटर और ह्यूमन? यू हैव टू राइट दिस आंसर इनटू द कमेंट सेक्शन. आप लोगों ने मुझे बताना है who learns in school, स्कूल में कौन सीखता है, अ कंप्यूटर और अ ह्यूमन? ह्यूमन मीन्स स्टूडेंट्स. ओके, so today's main topic is question answers. So we did 3 questions in the previous class, and today we will do the question number 4 and 5. So the question number 4 is, please take out your notebooks, make a margin line, draw a margin line and write date and day on the top of the page, and write the question number 5, sorry, question number 4, that is, how is AI beneficial in healthcare? ओके, आप लोगों ने बताना है कि AI इम्पोर्टेंट कैसे है इन हेल्थ केयर, हाउ इट इज़ इम्पोर्टेंट, हाउ इट इज़ परफॉर्मिंग सम टास्क इन द हेल्थ केयर, ये कैसे आप लोगों को एडवांटेज देता है हेल्थ केयर में. एंड यू हैव टू राइट द वन एग्जाम्पल, गिव one example of how the AI is beneficial in healthcare. Okay, so this is your question number 4. So students, artificial intelligence is very helpful in hospitals and healthcare. AI help doctors and nurses to take better care of humans. So the benefits that are the benefits of AI in healthcare are, it can detect disease earlier, help doctor diagnose patients. ठीक है, पेशेंट डिजीजेस. अगर आप लोग देखें हेल्थ केयर में एआई की बेनिफिट्स को, वो क्या कहता है, इट विल डायग्नोज द पेशेंट डिजीजेस. ठीक है, एंड मॉनिटर द पेशेंट हेल्थ, suggest treatment, it will suggest you a treatment. For example, if we are taking the example of ChatGPT, if you write something that you have a headache, then you will write the prompt in the ChatGPT and it will answer, it will give you some suggestion how you will reduce the headache. ठीक है, कैसे आप लोग अपने सर दर्द को कम कर सकते हैं. इट विल गिव यू सम सजेशंस. सो इट्स हाउ द हेल्थ AI is using, we are using AI in the healthcare. एंड आफ्टर दैट इट विल सेव योर टाइम, रिड्यूस मिस्टेक्स एंड हेल्प इन सर्जरीज. ठीक है, बहुत सारी सर्जरीज ऐसी हैं, हार्ट सर्जरीज में भी हम AI को यूज कर रहे हैं. सो दीज आर सम बेनिफिट्स ऑफ AI in healthcare. The first one is it detect the disease earlier, help doctor diagnose patients diseases. उसके बाद it will suggest the treatment and it will monitor the patient health care. And after it will give you any healthcare suggestions. Okay, it will reduce the mistakes and help in the surgeries. Now if we discuss about the examples of AI in healthcare. So AI can check medical images, for example X-ray, MRI, CT scan. We are using AI in these terms. Okay, if it can help disease such as cancer, heart disease, lungs infections. So these are the examples of how the AI helpful in the healthcare. Okay, so simply AI can detect cancer from X-ray images faster than the doctor. Okay, so this is the example of how the AI is beneficial in the healthcare. So in short, if you want to write the answer is, AI help doctor detect diseases quickly and treat patients better. For example, AI can find cancers from medical images faster than the doctor. Okay, so the answer is, you have to write the answer, that is, AI helps doctors detect diseases quickly and treat patients better. Example, AI can find cancer from images. Okay, so this is the answer. You can write the answer by yourself. आप खुद से भी इसका आंसर लिख सकते हैं. Okay, so you can add more points of how the AI is beneficial in healthcare. You can write that it reduce the mistakes, it help in surgeries, it will provide you the suggestions about the treatment. Okay, so you can write these benefits in the healthcare too. Okay, so the question number 5, after that the question number 5 is how is AI is beneficial in education for student. आप as a student AI को कैसे use कर रहे हैं, ये आप लोगों ने इस question में answer करना है. Okay, so the question number 5 is how is AI beneficial in education of a student. Plus you have to write the tools that are using for your education. Okay, आप लोगों ने AI tool के names लिखने हैं that you are using for educational purpose. So this is your question number 5. So student, artificial intelligence is also very helpful in the education. AI helps students learn faster and understand the lesson easily. Okay, so there are some benefits for AI in education. These are, it will if the student, it will help the students to get answer quickly. It will help the student to do homework. It will help the student to learn new skills. It will help the students to practice question. It helps in improving reading and writing. It helps in study anytime or anywhere. You can study with the help of AI. If you write something, if you want to learn something, you can use any type of AI tool and it will help you answer the question accurately. Okay, it helps to learn tough. It is very helpful to learn through the videos and games. Okay, there are a lot of apps that are used. There are a lot of apps and application that improves your English, your mental math skills. Okay, so the tools that are used for the educational purpose are ChatGPT, Google Assistant, ठीक है, Khan Academy, Grammarly. So these are some examples of AI tools that the student can use for educational purpose. So the answer of the question is, if a student doesn't understand, for example, before writing the answer, we are taking one example, that is, if a student doesn't understand a maths question, he or she can ask ChatGPT and it will explain the answer. ठीक है, आप ChatGPT से पूछ सकते हैं and it will explain from very basic concept. ठीक है, बहुत basic से आपको वो सिखाएगा. So now I'm going to write the answer of this question. AI helps students learn easily and quickly. Okay, AI helps students to do homework, to learn new skill, to improve reading and writing, and study, and student can study anytime and anywhere. Example, ChatGPT, Google Assistant. Okay, so these are two examples. You can write my another example too. For example, Khan Academy, YouTube, okay, and Google. So you can write the answer by yourself too. आप खुद से भी इसका आंसर लिख सकते हैं. Okay, so that's all for today's lesson, and there are some questions that you have to write in a comment section as a wrap up questions. For example, you have to tell me one AI application, and after that the second one, you have to tell me one benefit of AI in healthcare. You have to write this question that I am asking. The first one is, name one AI application The second one is name one benefit of AI in healthcare. The third one is name one AI tool for students that they are using for educational purpose. You have to write these three questions in the comments section. Okay, is it clear to everyone? You have to write three questions. The first one is name one AI application. The second one is name one benefit of AI in healthcare. The third one is name one AI tool for students that they are using for educational purpose in the comment section. Students, today we learn many important things about the artificial intelligence. Let's quickly revise it. Today we learn what is artificial intelligence, what is AI application, what is machine learning, the type of machine learning, supervised and unsupervised machine learning, the difference between the machine learning, the human learning, the benefits of AI in the healthcare, benefits of AI in education, names of AI tool. So these are the questions that we learn in today's lesson. These are some concepts, and the question number this is the question number 4, and this is the question number 5 that you have to write in your notebooks, neat and clean. Okay, आपने neat और clean इसको लिख के लेके आना है. And that's all for today's lesson. Thank you for your participation and your time. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.